You. I am talking to you. Yes, I am. You, the giver, the one that does and does and does for everyone else. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Don't hit that button. Don't hit pause. Listen, because this is important. You're one of those people that does for everyone else, that gives and gives and gives until your energetic bank account is empty. Well, it's time for you. It's time to reprioritize you. If the past 2 years have taught us nothing else, it's taught us that. And the path to joy is cheaper and more effective than any counseling, physical therapy, medication that you could ever take, because it's self referral healing, it's self corrective wellness in the best way possible. So do not hit that button. Listen. Yes, I know the Path to Joy has said it's a teacher training. It's life training, and it's for any and everyone, and it's the best investment you'll ever make. So read, check it out. Ask any one of the thousands of people who have gone through this program. Call me directly with any questions. 302-354-2964. Call me. From now until August 31st, we have $200 off to help make it more accessible. And don't give me that you can't afford it or where am I going to find the time. Yeah, you can afford it. And you can make the time because you're worth it. So I'll see you in classes. Call me if you need it. Otherwise, sign up. Talk to you soon. Peace and blessings. I am Susan Smith with One Yoga.